Hello, this is a Wing Chun training for beginners that you can do at home. Real quick before we get to that, if you're wondering who the heck I am to be talking about Wing Chun, my name is Charles Francis. You can call me Chuck. I've been studying Wing Chun for 16 years now. My lineage is Leung Ting under David Neal Brown out of TCMA. Check him out, tcma.com. Currently, I am at Seattle Close Range Tactics under Sifu Cory Walken. You can check that out, seattlecrt.com. Now enough about me, let's get into the lesson. First I'm going to be going over the center line. Okay, you're going to take your vertical midline and you have your horizontal midline where those two lines cross right here in the center of your chest. This is going to be your center point. The center line extends from your center point out to the nearest available target. So if my target was in front of me, the punch would go here. My target was diagonal, my punch can go there, out to the side, you get it all the way around. Next, we're going to get into the basic punch. So Wing Chun punch is a vertical fist, and it's going to be on your center line. So if you find your center point and you have your punch here, and you punch straight out. If you're connecting with a target, you want to connect with your bottom knuckles first. Because if you connect with the top two, you have potential to break your wrist upon impact. So you want to connect with the bottom knuckles. Okay, start here, out along your center line. This is the basic Wing Chun punch. This is the best thing that you can practice on your own. Okay, you can stand here, practice your punch. Okay, boom. You want elasticity in your punch. You can have your rear hand in Wu Sao. This is a basic guard. Wu Sao, Man Sao. Wu Sao, protective hand. Man Sao, seeking hand. You can have Wu Sao here, where your Man Sao, forward hand, make it into a fist. Punch, relax. Punch, relax. Real quick, if you're liking this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel by clicking on that subscribe button down below. For terms from this Wing Chun lesson, be sure to go to soundsurvivaltactics.com and I will have terms that you can download there. Now let's get back to the Wing Chun training. Next, I'm going to go over your Yee Ma, which is the basic Wing Chun stance. So you're going to stand at attention. If you notice here on the floor, I have my Wing Chun footwork diagram. I have a link pop up over here where you can go and check that out. I break this all down in that video. For your Yee Ma, stand at attention, feet together, hands by your side. You're going to bend at the knees, make fists, okay, bring them up. This is chambering, up into your armpits. Don't come up too high here on the shoulders. Still want to be relaxed in your shoulders. Next, kick your feet out. Okay, and then from here, kick your heels out. And if you see, I can step up here and I'm 60 degrees in the feet. This line going through the middle of my body is the center line. So 60 degrees in the feet. Next, adduct, which is using your adductors and your glutes. You're going to adduct here. Ground yourself. Okay? So adducting. So if we set up from the side here, looks like that. Okay? No duck butts. Okay, this is what we call duck butt. Adduct, adduct, squeeze your glutes, your adductors, and sink right into that. Throw on your basic guard. Here you are, your basic Wing Chun stance. And mixed in with your guard. Now throw on the punch. Okay, punch off the front. You can punch off the rear. Your Man Sao cycles back to be your Wu Sao. Wing Chun training for this video, number 4. Set up in your Yee Ma. And we're going to be doing Huen-Bo's, circling step. So, circle, circle. You want your foot to stay as flat on the ground as possible. Don't pick it up like this and set it back down. You want it flat. Circle, up and out, up and back. Try the other side. Up and back. Huen-Bo. Huen-Bo. Now we're going to put this together into a closing step. Before we get to that real quick, if you're in your Yee Ma, just go ahead, take a step with your right foot, and then bring your rear foot back here. Now you're in GM Ma. Okay? Feet should be at 45. If you have tape on the ground, the center line should be going, dissecting your feet through your arches. And then back, back. That is an outfall step. Next step, we're going to add in the Huen-Bo. So if you remember, we're circling here. So first, we're going to do a half circle to bring our knees together. Okay, stay in sunk. From here, we're going to go to the center line and then adduct again to bring your rear foot back. And you should be in the same position as you did when we took the step and did that. What the Huen-Bo does is off-lines you. You see the center line here goes right past me. So this allows you to flank while you're going up the middle. So I could flank somebody from the side. Outfall, outfall. Do the other side. Boom. Outfall, outfall. Throw in your guard. You want to add a punch. Here we are with finally the closing step and punch. So we're going to close and punch. Foot back, guard. Huen-Bo, punch. Back, back. Huen-Bo, punch. Back, back. So that is the Wing Chun training that you can practice at home. I have a bonus training for you. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a closing step with a punch. Now this is a little more advanced. Okay, we're going to go from our GM Ma, our Wing Chun stance, into a boxing stance. How do you do that? Kick your foot out. Now you're in boxing. You've expanded your range. So what this does is if I'm doing a closing step, okay, and my target steps that way, if I land here, I can step out and hit him here. I can track him. Right? So try that out. Going from your Wing Chun footwork into boxing. And that's been the Wing Chun training for beginners that you can do at home. Once again, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you share it out. Subscribe to the channel by clicking on that subscribe button down below. Turn on a notification bell and you get notified of future videos as they come out. And if you're ready for another Wing Chun lesson, be sure to check out this one here. And I'll see you over there.